Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your BOSE Portable Home Speaker from the application. You have to start by opening BOSE application and you will see this menu. If you have this menu, just click at this icon at the left top and you will return to first menu. Then click at the picture icon at the right top. And right here we have products and we need to go to manage products. Then click edit at the right top and select your speaker here. Click delete and remove. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!